It is that time. It is that time of year again when I reveal my yearly path tag. If you don't know what path tags are a signature swag item. They're little coins, roughly the size of a quarter, that represents who you are as a geocacher. Some people like to trade them. Other people like to drop them into geocaches. And they're different than trackables in that you can actually collect them. They are not designed to move from geocache to geocache. I have some great examples of some right here. Look at this one. There's a path tag board with the state of Minnesota on it. And one of my favorite ways to display my path tags is my path tag ammo can, covered and filled with path tags. So every year I create my own personal path tags. I create one for my patrons, and then I also create another one that I do something special with. And the one I do something special with, I have a special opportunity for you to win big. Maybe the biggest prize I've ever awarded on my social media. Every year I try to design my path tags to represent the year before, and last year I experienced Cache Tour Season 3, and that was in Alaska. If you want to check the videos out of that, oh, you got to. It's right up there. And one of the things I got to experience last year is kayaking in an iceberg lagoon. So I thought that was the pinnacle of my last year, so that is what I'm going to put on my path tag. So this first path tag is my patron path tag. Every year I create a path tag for my patrons, and it's me kayaking on an iceberg lagoon. There it is. I love it. I have my camera, I have my life jacket, and you can't see, but there's icebergs behind me. So cool. Now you can receive this path tag if you join my Patreon. Go to patreon.com/geocaching vlogger, and those there that support me for at least $3 a month, I'm gonna send you this path tag as a thank you for your support, because the patrons, they make everything happen here on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all the places. So if you want this tag, go there. I would love your support. And now it is time to show you the cache placement tag. It is a similar design, but just a little bit different. There it is. Me still on the kayak with the blue behind me this time, not the different geocaching colors. My favorite thing to do with path tags is to put them in geocaches. I myself, I love when I open up a geocache and there's a path tag inside of it. So what I'm gonna do is for the rest of the year, I'm going to put these cache placement tags inside geocaches. And then on my Instagram, on my story, I will be posting the GC codes of where I drop the path tags. If you are lucky enough to find one of them and then log it on the pathtag.com website, that's the only way I'm gonna know that you found it, then you'll be entered to win big path tag cash. I'm gonna give you enough path tag cash for you to do your first order of 50 of your own tags. That will not include the shipping or if you hire a designer, but enough to get your first 50 tags. So I would suggest right now, go to pathtags.com, create your own account, because if you find this or find any other path tags, you can log them on your account, and at the end of the year, December 31st, 2022, I will select one person to be awarded some path tag cash so you can order your own path tags. It's a big prize. And just to prove it, I will need a picture of you with the path tag, just so everything is on the up and up. I know so many geocachers that have path tags, and you should get your own too. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Good luck. Follow me on Instagram, and you might find one of these little bad boys.